Welcome to the Malawi Revenue Authority's step-by-step guide on how to submit your corporate income tax. What you need before you start: you need to be registered in Msonko Online, have valid portal credentials, and have an outstanding return for CIT. First step, log in into Msonko Online using your valid portal credentials. Click Submit a Return on the homepage, or you can click My Tax, navigate to My Tax, and click Submit a Return. Select Company Income Tax. Select the period you would like to submit the return for. Click Continue. Under Homepage, if you wish to submit a new return, click New Return. Otherwise, select Corporate Income, and the system will bring income statement, profit and loss statement, tax computation, balance sheet, uploads, and summary. You might also have Pension Income Fund. You tick, and it will bring Pension Fund income. You might also have clubs and societies income, which will also come under clubs, societies, and cooperatives. Click Cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Under Income, enter the income. Some of these are optional, for example, production costs, but some are mandatory. Where mandatory and does not apply, enter zeros and proceed. If you have other income, enter the other income. The system will automatically add up to 23 million. Save as draft optional. Click Cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Under Profit and Loss, you have profit and loss details. You can have professional fees. These are your expenses. Capture whatever applies to you, and the system is going to reduce the expenses from the income. We are at 21 million. That's profit before tax. Click Save as Draft optional, Cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Tax computation will bring forward the amount from P&L, 21 million. If you had add-backs, enter whatever applies. For example, deemed interest. The system will automatically total the adjusted amount. And if you also have other deductions less, for example, exempt income, you can indicate, and the system will automatically adjust the 1 million from the 24 million, give you 23. Non-deductible items, depreciation, amortization. If applicable, capture whatever is applicable. And finally, the system will charge total taxable income or assessed loss and give you 24 million. And the tax charged is 7.2 million. Click Next to enter Pension Fund income. Under this, you have the employer contribution and the employee contribution. We could have 30 million here, 15 million here. Income from investments, if applicable, capture. Other incomes, capture, if applicable. And the total income will be system generated here. If you have expenses, payments to members, pension withdrawals, fund management fees or expenses, indicate here. The system will give you surplus or deficit, and it will reduce the 5 million expenses from the 45 to give you 40 million. Click Save as Draft optional, click Cancel to abort, click Next to proceed. Under tax computation, the system will bring the surplus or deficit of the year. If you have add-backs, you indicate. If you have deductions, indicate. Non-deductible items, capital allowances, which you have to attach a schedule, and the system will give you the total taxable income as 40 million, tax charged on pension income, and you can save as draft optional, cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Under clubs, societies, and cooperatives, you can indicate the total turnover, and the system will calculate the taxable income and the tax charged under that. Save as draft optional, click Cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Under the balance sheet, you indicate your non-current assets, loans to, current assets, loans to, equities and liabilities, equity, liabilities, and share capital is mandatory. System will give a total, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings, etc. Current liabilities, enter what is applicable. Click Save as Draft optional, Cancel to abort, or click Next to proceed. Under this, you do have to upload a template for the directors. So you download the template You enter the TIN of the director and fees or bonuses or allowances if they apply. If not, you enter 0, you save. If you have multiple directors, capture multiple directors and proceed. Then go back to the system and upload. Browse to where the file is, click and open. The file successfully uploaded. Click Save as Draft, optional, cancel to abort, or click Next to view the summary. And this is the summary. Review the summary. If you have available credits, for example, this one has provisional tax paid 10 million, total tax charged 13.3 million. The system has reduced the amount to pay with the 10 million of credits from provisional. If they had withholding tax credits, they were going to appear here and reduce the amount further. So the total net tax charge is 3.3 million. Under this, you indicate the balance sheet, non-current assets, loans to. Once satisfied, click I hereby certify that the information given in the CIT return is true and correct. You tick to confirm, print optional, cancel to abort, otherwise you click submit to submit. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your CIT return. Thank you.